Welcome back to Trucks by Great Lakes. We are in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. We just got some fuel. That was very cold to do. This is a very cold day. It's like minus 25 right now. The sun's out, so it wasn't like this morning. It was minus 37. That was cold. So, but still, cold enough to stand outside, and fill up 3 tanks. It's too cold for the DEF right now. It's not working right. It's not pumping out. So you can't get DEF, which is fine. I got plenty of that. These people are afraid to go by me. That's interesting. Alright. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a great day. I got fuel, so I'm good. I did my good deed today. I saw a little car sitting on the side of the road with the hood up, boyfriend, girlfriend, and they looked cold, and I passed by them. Then I stopped, turned around, did the little flippy flip on the highway, came back and helped them out. I didn't have a lot of tools or anything, but I guess his father was on the phone and telling his father that he needed to somehow thaw out some of his hoses on his car, and well, he wouldn't have been able to do that without me. I told him, I said, I got a kettle and water. I can boil some water for you. So we did that, and he got moving again within 2 seconds or 2 minutes. He was back on the side of the road again. So I had boiled another big kettle of water and found some tools, so he's able to disconnect a couple of these hoses while sprinkling hot water on it, de-thaw everything. And I told him if he pulls over again, I'll be behind him. And don't worry, you won't be on the side of the road. It's too cold outside for a vehicle that's not running. It's too cold outside for that. So I said, don't worry, I'll keep an eye out on you if you happen to be on the side of the road again and I see you, I'll stop. Like I said, it's too cold. Too cold for this. Too cold for to be out on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. I just told him was next time he's driving down the road and someone has an accident or someone is on the side of the road and it's that kind of a temperature, to help him out or just help him out anyways. So hopefully I don't see him. But if I do, I will gladly pull over. So, Saskatoon, to get onto the highway, or to stay on the highway, you have to get off on this exit. And you gotta, it's like a zigzag and to get back onto the highway. It's kind of an interesting way of doing it. I think by now they would have fixed that problem, you know? Made a roundabout on the highway or something, right? But obviously they have not, so I guess they like these big trucks going through their city. 22 miles to go. We're to be at my customer for Monday. This is Friday. So I'm definitely going to make it. I'm definitely going to make it. Just open up a bag of popcorn so I can have a little munch while driving. Or sitting here waiting to drive. I had to stop and get some fuel, like I said. It's too cold to be breaking down, especially fuel and this kind of temperature. You don't want your fuel to gel up. Less than a mile driving on the city street like this before you're back onto the highway. Back onto Highway 16. couple there that I stopped at. I'm kind of hoping they stopped at a garage to get it fixed. But they're from Regina. They're not that far away, and I can see them trying to get home. I can see them trying to get home. So hopefully I don't see them on the side of the highway. It had something to do with leaking oil somewhere. I just wanted to show you guys Saskatchewan. And so there you go, you saw it. Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. It's definitely getting warmer out. Which is a good thing. That trailer hasn't really moved since the snowstorm. Mobile whiteout. But it'll stop sooner or later. My dog doesn't much care for that. hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos we have.